Hello, Year 5. Okay, so looking at division today, moving away from multiplication. Okay, we will come back to multiplication, but we're just moving on to some division to look at a method of using it. We did have a quick look at times tables grid. Okay, that's there to prompt you if you need to use it. And we spoke about division, didn't we? We said that division was about sharing, that it had to be into equal parts. Okay, and then we had a look at a bus stop method. So we said that when we're doing a bus stop, the number that is being divided, okay, the bit that's being shared, goes under the bus stop, and the number that is the divisor, okay, the thing that amount of groups that we're putting it into goes outside the bus stop. We then look at it across and we think, okay, how many lots of 3 go into 3? So 3, there's one lot of 3 goes into 3. Then we're going to move across. How many lots of 3 go into 9? So 3, 6, 9. 3 lots of 3 go into 9. The answer goes directly above. And then we go to the last one. How many lots of 3 in 6? And there are 2 lots of 3 in 6. 3, 6. We've then got our answer at the top. Now, it's not always that simple. Sometimes we're going to have to do some exchanging. In here, okay, we looked at how many 3's go into 4. Now, we said that we could get one lot of 3 into 4, but we'd have some left over. So one lot of 3 is 3, so we put one lot in here. And then we'd have one left over, wouldn't we? So we're on 3, we need to get to 4, we've got one left over. We pop that down here. Okay, so we carry it across. Then we're going to look at how many lots of 3 go into 12. Okay, 3, 6, 9, 12. 4, we put our answer, and then how many lots of 3 in 6 is 2, and we pop it up here. So any of the exchanging, any of the carrying, okay, goes on in here. So we've got remainders in here, haven't we? How many lots of 3 went into 4? Okay, we had one lot, and there was one left over, one remaining. The final example that we looked at altogether is we looked at going into 126. Now we said that actually 3, how many lots of 3 go into 1? Well, none. We can't fit any lots of 3 into 1. So we've put a 0 up here, we've crossed it out, and we've carried it across into here, okay? Now we're looking at how many 3's go into 12, which we know is 4, and how many lots of 3 go into 6, which is 2. So 126 divided by 3 equals 42. So we're using that bus stop method to carry across, to exchange any remainders in here. We need to just carry them in, and we're just going to work across one digit at a time, okay, with the answer going directly above. Now, have a look at these questions, okay? If you stayed on with me in the guided group, we looked at the first 3 together, so you should have those. And then you're going to have a go at these ones here. It is a completely new skill today, so it may take a bit of time to get your head around. You might need to rewatch some of the videos, okay? But have a go, be confident. If it goes completely wrong and you make a mistake, don't panic. Still send it in, okay? And we can work together in a small group. I'm going to set up a small group tomorrow, so an additional session tomorrow to have a look at these, okay? But have a go, send it in, and we will see how you get on. Okay, there's also an extension. Once you've done them, if you've found them nice and simple, you've worked them out really well, could you write a word problem to match the calculations? Okay, so there is our recap, and I look forward to seeing your work on Dojo.